faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. But baby, I've been here before. I've seen this room and I've walked this floor, you know. I used to live alone before I knew you. And I've seen you fly